RB1999 update.
Thank you, Dexter, for that wonderful introduction. We are the hosts, Luigi, Redbird, Zarcy, Bow, 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 and that's Blue. Not Bluebird, Blue Dog. Yeah, we just got some brilliant news. One of our computers has an SD card. Actually, a few of them have an SD card port, so we can upload our videos on this camera all the time. No more stupid webcam. Yeah, no more stupid webcam. Yay. And by the way, if the webcam even was our only result, then we couldn't use it because of technical errors that Bluebird will announce after we get done talking. And we found and guess what we can do whenever we use this camera. Bow, bow, bow. Now we're not going to play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Bow. First of all, we can record shots from all over. Like we could also zoom in and then record shots. Hi. And we can also zoom out. But also there's something else. This camera is an underwater camera. It can go out to 10 feet underwater, and it's also high definition. High def. The only bad part about having this is that it takes longer to upload videos on YouTube. Yeah, but who cares? We get better videos, better quality, and plus we can use some of those old videos we recorded. Yeah, you got that right. Now time for Bluebird with the weather. It's not the weather, it's about technical stuff. Oh. Go, Dexter. Hello, I'm Bluebird. And as you see, this laptop is not on. For some odd reason, the laptop, it just didn't want to charge, because as you see, it's still hooked up to a charger, which is still hooked up to the wall. We have no idea what happened. But if this doesn't get, we will, so we just can't play any online downloadable games. But if it doesn't get fixed in a few days, we will just have to use another computer. We won't feel bad. Anyways, there's also something that we can do with this high-def camera. See, on the 3DS, with the 3D down, it's pretty clear. You can see everything. So this will mean more better video game stuff. Oh yeah, and let's show you the Pokédex 3D that we've installed. Time I know. Now, let me see if I can find one of my favorites. And this is not my favorite, it's just one of them. Here it is, Baby Cub Chew. Yeah. He's so cute. He's the one thing that he's one of the things that makes my life not as much as a misery. Back to you, Luigi, Yoshi, Redbird, and Blue. Not me, Blue, the other Blue. Blue, stop singing that. If you're going to sing anything. Sing Dynamite by Teo Cruz. Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, also we will be dancing to some music videos online, since this has better sound quality as well. Like, we will name the video, the YouTube video, and the author of it. Like, you've all seen Fred will be like Fred Goes Swimming by Fred. Yeah, like that. Like, Revenge by Teo Cruz. No, Revenge by Captain Sparkles, a parody of the DJ's got us. Usher's The DJ's got us falling in love again. Anyways, is that it for the update? I think so. Say goodbye. Bye. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. And for an epic ending,